Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a swoop side bang with a low ponytail on my natural hair. This style is so cute and simple. Also, the perfect hairstyle to do if you're not sure what to do to your hair for the week. So if you are interested to see how this style comes out, make sure you're staying tuned until the end. My parts are definitely not the best in the back, but that's okay because you will not be able to see it underneath this ponytail, so therefore it doesn't matter. Also, I am going to section my hair for this style because it is way easier to manage. So you're going to see me create like 3 different ponytails. This method ensures that my hair is completely slicked down, and that's the look that I'm going for. My hair is a little thick, so I like this way a little bit better because it helps to create a neater ponytail. And the only products I will be using for this style, guys, is my Eco Styling Gel, of course, and jam. These 2 products work so well together to make sure my hair is completely sleek down and to, get rid of those little flyaway hairs that we all do not like. So I know you guys may have seen me do the rubber band cross section on my hair before, but I just love how it brings out this style. This style is already kind of simple and a little plain, so I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit to bring this style out more. And plus, you guys know I love extra, and extra is always better. So I do have a video where I demonstrated this on my hair before, so I'm just going to fast forward through this section. Plus, I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm doing for this style today. This section is finally done, guys. So what I'm going to do with these 2 pieces, I'm just going to twist them, and then you'll see exactly what I'm going to do with these 2 pieces when I get closer to the end of this style. This section of my hair, you will see me parting in half because I do want to ensure that my swooping is completely sleeked down, no flyaways, no curly hairs popping up. So with me sectioning my hair and sleeking each part down, this will help with creating a neater look, and that is exactly what I'm going for here, guys. I know a lot of girls straighten their hair first before doing swoopings because it is a lot easier to swoop your hair to the side versus if your hair is curly. So if you are a natural girl, you know exactly what I'm talking about because I was having a little trouble at first swooping and sliding into the side, even though my hair is part in half too. I was just having so much trouble. But by me constantly brushing and combing my hair to the side, it actually helped out a lot. And like I said earlier, the Eco Styling Gel and the gel worked well together to help to ensure this sleek look that I'm going for here. So I was just hoping and praying that this part come out exactly how I was imagining in my head. As you guys can see here, I'm finishing off by combing and brushing my hair to the side just to ensure that my hair is sleek and neat. And I'm going to add in these clips I got from H&M. It was $8. I thought they were so cute. Plus the clips help to hold the side part in place like I wanted to. So after everything is completely sleeked down, I am going to place the rest of my hair in this last ponytail holder. So as you guys can see here, I'm making sure the ponytail is tight and right by twisting and twisting until it can't twist no more. So to finish off with this style, I will twist the ends of my hair just to make sure that the product stays in place, and when it's time to unravel everything, my curls are completely curly and cute. And to ensure that my swooping stays neat and sleek, I will add in my scarf and let this stay on for maybe about 10 or 20 minutes or so just to ensure that sleek and neat. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair. It was so quick and easy, so I definitely love this style because it is easy and it was so simple to do. So let's get into this look. You have this side with the clips, and we have this side. And peep it, got the same little mommy-daughter thing going on. And the back, of course, little ponytail. Yes. So if you do like how this style came out, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Say bye. Say bye.